Okay children, let's look at this picture children. Look at the picture and color the initial blend. That is, for example, we have to look at the picture and we have to circle the correct starting letters. Okay, using that phonetic sound. Okay children, I think you already know the each and every picture. It will be very easy to circle the correct starting letters. Let's try it out. First thing, this is a snake. Just find out. I'm not going to tell the answer. You are going to tell the answer. What is this? Is a snake. Okay, which option will come correctly? I will wait for your answer. Tell me correctly. Okay, then I will give a time for you. Okay, when I count 10 up to 10, you have to answer it. Okay. Okay, this is what is this? This is a snake. Okay, I'm giving a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did you find out? Did you find out correctly? Yes. If you not, then the correct answer is snake. Yes. Okay. Are you enjoying this? Okay. Let's look at the next picture. He is skating. He wearing that skating shoe. Okay. He is a skate. Okay. You are going to find out which option is correct. Okay. Let's go for a countdown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Time up. Okay, did you find out? Yes, SK. It's a correct initial blend. Skating. Okay, next find out this. Okay, let's look at this picture children. Actually they are swing. Okay, just find out that first initial blend. Let's go for the countdown. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Time up. Okay, this is the swing. Okay, next look at this picture children. What he is doing? He is swim. Okay, let's try out this two from this two initial blend. Pick at the correct one children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Yes, W. Okay, next look at this picture children. What is this? This is staircase. Very good. This is a staircase. Just find out the first initial blend children. Let's count down. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, what is this initial blend? Staircase. Very good. Okay, next look at this picture children. She is a bride. Okay, she is a bride. Okay, let's find out the first set of initial blend word children. Bride. Okay, I'm going for the countdown. From reverse, I'm going down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, this is a bride. Bride. Okay. Now let's go for this one. What is this? You will enjoy this. Okay, tell me what is the starting sound? Initial blend. Let's go for a countdown. Yes, now I'm going to countdown from reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, it's a slider. So we have to circle the SL. Okay. Next picture, we are going to this one, the very last one. Find out the picture and find out the initial blend. Let's go for the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did you find out which one is the correct word, blending word? Yes, F, L, flag. Okay. Okay, so far we have done the starting blending letters, isn't it? We have just looked at the picture and just we haven't circled the starting blending letters. Okay, let's go for the next interesting exercise.